Realme GT Neo 6 SE just launched today. Brightest OLED display ever, flagship-grade high-performance processor, 50-megapixel Sony camera setup, new AI features, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression Realme GT Neo 6 SE. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's start with the unboxing. The box comes in plain black color. Inside, you'll find a user manual, a SIM ejector tool, 100 watts power adapter with Type A output, a data cable, and finally, a black protective case. This case is better than a transparent one because transparent cases tend to turn yellow after some time. Now, let's talk about the phone's design. The color of this phone is called techmaiky, which is actually a dark green color. The back of the phone has a combination of mirror and matte finishes. The outermost layer is mirrored, giving it a uniform feel. To protect the camera lens, there's a stainless steel ring around the camera module's edge. The module houses 2 camera lenses and 2 flashes. You can even dim the flashes. The flashlight offers 4 brightness adjustment modes. The area around the module is rectangular but smooth, not bumpy, it's flat. The phone is mostly dark green in color, except for the black mirror back. It weighs 191 grams and feels nice to hold. Despite the large 5500 mAh battery, the weight is well balanced. The screen edges are curved on both sides, making it easy to hold. The frame of the phone is flat and quite thin, giving the phone a sleek appearance. Talking about the display of Realme GT Neo 6 SE, this screen offers high brightness and slim bezels. This screen can reach a peak brightness of up to 6000 nits, and the bezels are extremely narrow. The screen is slightly curved, and even the top bezels are slimmer compared to the previous generation. During brightness tests, the manual maximum brightness reaches 1061 nits, while full screen auto brightness goes up to 1735 nits. This brightness performance surpasses many other flagship phones, and even in strong sunlight, the screen visibility remains excellent. Even in sunlight, you'll get clear pictures on the screen when using the camera. The screen resolution is 1.5K, and it has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is sufficient for daily use. Additionally, it features 8T LTPO technology, which is not commonly found in this price segment. This technology provides adaptive refresh rates ranging from 0.5 Hz to 120 Hz, reducing power consumption. The screen also offers remarkable eye protection features. The phone comes with high brightness DC dimming and low brightness high frequency PWM dimming features. Additionally, it introduces a new feature called Green AI Protection. For instance, if you're feeling sleepy, the phone intelligently recognizes it and slightly warms up the screen. In terms of performance, Realme GT Neo 6 SE equipped with the recently launched Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, built on TSMC's 4nm platform. The phone achieves an Antutu score of over 1.5 million, which is almost on par with last year's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. In Geekbench 6, it scores 1894 points for single-core and 5047 points for multi-core. During gaming tests, playing King of Glory at 120 frames per second with the highest frame rate and ultra-high resolution for 30 minutes, the average frame rate remains at 119.85 frames per second. The back temperature only reaches 39.7 degrees Celsius. While playing heavy games like Genshin Impact at extremely high image quality in 60 frames mode, the average frame rate reaches 59.4 frames per second. The maximum temperature of the phone reaches 46.7 degrees Celsius. Although heavy games like Genshin Impact may cause slightly higher temperatures, the frame rate remains stable. So, this processor is perfect for gaming. Talking about the battery, it boasts a huge 5500 mAh battery and comes with a 100 watts charger. It takes around 27 minutes to charge the battery from 0 to 100%. The battery durability is impressive because even after heavy use, there's about 43% battery remaining by the end of the day. This is due to the power-efficient chip and the screen featuring LTPO technology. In the Realme GT Neo 6 SE, you'll find a rear-facing dual-camera setup. The main camera boasts a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS. Alongside, there's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. You can see a sample photo here, and the photos turn out relatively clear with true colors. The ultra-wide angle camera features a Sony IMX355 sensor, delivering good results in both daytime and nighttime photos with detailed clarity. The noise level in photos is minimal, and you can enable the watermark feature. You'll find advanced details on the right side of the photos. This year, many phones are incorporating AI features, and this phone is no exception. Along with AI Eye Care, it also offers the AIGC elimination feature. You can access this feature in the Galleries editor. Here, you'll find options like Intelligent Circle Selector and Manual Selection. The phone also includes features like NFC, IR remote control, P65 certification for water and dust resistance, stereo speakers, and an X-axis linear motor. The base variant of the Realme GT Neo 6 SE starts at approximately £187 in the UK or $234 in the USA. In conclusion, compared to the previous generation, this phone is completely different, offering significant improvements in display and performance. It provides excellent gaming performance, superb battery life, an ultra-bright screen for outdoor use even in extreme sunlight, all at an affordable price. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that?